If p the term, q the term and r the terms of a GP are given x comma y comma z respectively, then write the value of x power q minus r into y power r minus p into z to the power p minus q. Since we know that in GP, general term an is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1, let us consider, let a be the first term and capital R be the common ratio. So we can write a into r to the power n minus 1 is the general term. So therefore we can write pth term, that is AP is equal to a into r to the power p minus 1, which is given x, make this is 1, and qth term aq is equal to a into capital R to the power q minus 1, which is equal to y. Say this is second equation. And third one, rth term is given ar is equal to a into r to the power r minus 1, which is equal to z. Take this as an equation 3. Then we need to find x power q minus r into y to the power r minus p into z to the power p minus q. So let us consider x to the power q minus r into y to the power r minus p into z to the power p minus q, which is equal to, x to the power q upon x to the power r into y to the power r divided by y to the power p into z to the power p divided by z to the power q. So from 1, 2 and 3, x is nothing but a into r to the power p minus 1 whole power q upon, here x is nothing but again same a into r to the power r minus 1 whole to the power r into y is nothing but a into r to the power q minus 1 whole to the power r divided by a into r to the power q minus 1 and whole to the power p into z is nothing but a into r to the power r minus 1 whole power p divided by a into r to the power r minus 1 whole to the power, again we can write it's a q. So upon simplifying, we can write this as a power q into capital R to the power pq minus q upon a to the power r into capital R to the power r square minus r, again into a to the power r into r to the power of capital R to the power qr minus r divided by a to the power p into r to the power pq minus p into a to the power p into capital R to the power rp minus p upon a to the power q into capital R to the power rq minus q. So here we can cancel the terms. A power q and a power q gets cancelled, a power p gets cancelled, and a power r and a power r gets cancelled, and remaining terms we can write here. Sorry, this is a small correction. Here it is p. Say this is p here, p minus 1. So we can write here p. So we can write here pr minus r. And so we can write here r to the power pq upon r to the power q, and again here r to the power pr into r to the power r into r to the power qr upon r to the power r into r to the power of r to the power pq into r to the power p into r to the power rp upon r to the power p, and again r to the power rq into r to the power q. So we can cancel the terms r power pq, r power pq, and r power r, r power r, r power qr, and r power qr, and r power rp, r power rp, r power q, r power q, and r power p, and r power p. Everything gets cancelled, so answer is 1. So we can conclude that finally the answer is 1.